Hello guys, my name is Hassan and I am creating this video to show you how you can manage your email notifications effectively in Podio. The people who are using Patronecs Podio CRM, they face some issues related to notifications management, like email notifications. So I will explain that in video, like how you can manage them effectively. So for example, if any activity happens into any one of our workspaces into Podio, we get notifications. This is our default setting into Podio, and we can enable or disable that. For example, anyone have added a comment on a Podio item, then we will be getting a notification. So anyone, most of the people don't need all of these type of notifications because they become overwhelming sometimes. So in this video, we will see like how you can enable or disable these notifications. So for example, if you have to disable notifications, or you have to do some settings regarding that, you will go to the relevant user profile picture, and here is the account settings button. You will click on this, and here you will go to the email and notifications section. Okay, so in the email and notifications section, there are different types of notifications which you can enable or disable. For example, here, if anyone sends a message on Podio, you can enable or disable notification. Like you can say that I don't need a notification, an email notification, if anyone sends me a message. So these are the messages in Podio, like they show up like this. So you can enable or disable from here. Okay, so I keep it enabled so that I keep on getting notifications once anyone sends me a message. And if any task is assigned to me, then I would like to get a notification. So that's why I have kept it enabled. So third notification is changes in workspace membership occur. Like if anyone is added, or if any person, any member is removed from workspace, and you want to get notified about that, then you will enable it. Otherwise, you will keep it disabled. And if there is any appointment scheduled, any task, any event, and in that case you want to get a notification through email, then you will enable this. Similarly, any meeting is created or updated, in that case you can enable or disable notifications. And if anyone adds me as a participant to a meeting, so if there is an event type, like if there is any appointment scheduled and you want that you get an email notification, if anyone adds me as a participant into that appointment. So if any other thing happens, any activity which happens into workspace and you want to get notified, then you will keep this thing enabled. So you can, if you don't need these notifications yet, then you can disable all of them. You will not receive any email. But if you need some of them, then you can enable them. So there are some notifications which show up on the left bottom side of screen when any action happens. So let's try to understand if this happens or not. Like, let me show you. If I go to test lead here and I try to add myself, let me see if it is enabled or not. I will keep it enabled for now, and I will save it, and then I will try to mention myself, and I will see like if I get notification on left side or not. So I mention myself. So let's see what happens. You can see that this notification is received. Okay, and a proper sound will also come when this notification appears on screen. So here this happens because we have enabled this enable on screen notifications. We have enabled them. Similarly, we have enabled sound, and we have enabled web notification, which shows on left side. Okay, so basically if we will disable all of them, then these notifications will not appear here. So that is configurable. If you will contact Patronecs help center, then they will fix it if you have purchased Podio CRM. But otherwise, you can do these settings yourself too. Similarly, this is a daily digest, which is like you get an update of whole day at day end into workspace. For example, there are different activities happening into the workspace in a whole day. You want to see the summary of all the activities which happened into the workspace, like all the items which are showing here. You just want to get a summary of that. That is called daily digest. Okay, and if you want to receive that daily digest at a day end, then you can enable settings uh, into account settings section, into the email and notification. You can just enable it from here. Okay, I will show you a previous example of a daily digest that I got. You can see here that it will be a summary, like if any item is created here, anything is updated, that will be displaying here into the daily digest. So Patronecs is always helping its clients. If you need any CRM development, real estate CRM development into Podio, then you can contact us. Or if you are having an existing CRM and you want to upgrade it with new integrations, or you have a system and you don't know how to use it, how to scale it, then we are here to help you with that. So thank you very much. I will keep on creating such videos which can help my customers. Thank you very much. Bye bye.